Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn in this video if net logons and sysvol folder is missing, so how we will recover it. Means suppose you have created a domain server and additional domain server, means AD and ADC, and if net logon and sysvol folder is missing, so policies will not be replicate. So first we'll check, this is my domain server, that host name is AD. I will show you. Host name, you can see here the host name is AD, or you can check from here. Go to server manager, it is getting ready. Computer name is AD and domain is itparivar.lan. So domain name is itparivar.lan and computer name is, means server host name is AD. And second thing, I have created one ADC server, that name is AD1. We can check it from here in the same way. Host name, you can see here AD1, and if you go to server manager, you will find here the same details. Computer name is AD1 and domain is itparivar.lan. So basically this is my additional domain controller, and this is AD, means Active Directory Domain Controller. So on this server, net logon and default and sysvol folder is shared, means working fine. We can check it from here, net share, and if you run this command, then you can see here sysvol, see windows sysvol logon server share, and this. And another way to check it, if you are running on Windows domain server, and if you will access the server by host name or through the IP of the server, then you will get this window, net logon sysvol folder. So in same way, let's jump on ADC and check this net logon server, net logon folder and sysvol folder is shared, available or not. So first we'll check here, we'll run here the command net share. From here we can find out it is shared or not. You can see here there is no any sysvol or net logon folder shared, not showing here. Even if we'll run, if we'll open run and try to access our server by host name, that is AD1, or you can what you can do, you can access the same server with the IP of the server. So I am, yes, you can see here the folder is empty, means net logon server is not available here, net logon server is not shared. So let's start. So first I am trying to explain if net logon and sysvol folder is not shared on AD or ADC, then which type of issue will occur. If suppose if you are running with the domain server and additional domain server, So if on additional domain server sysvol folder and netlogon server is not available, then many of policies will not replicate to the ADC server, and if unfortunately your domain server means AD server will down, then it will not authenticate to the client machine or users. So it is very necessary to check netlogon server and sysvol folders should be shared, and policies should be replicate in both way. Means if you are creating policies on the ADC server, then it should be replicated to the AD, or AD if you are creating on AD, then it should be replicated to ADC server. So I will show these things later, but first we will try to recover missing logon on and sysvol folder. So for that, first we need to go to the registry setting on the server on which we are not able to find net logon and sysvol folder. So I'll show you from where you can check. So you have to go to HK local machine system, and then control set, current control set, services, and then you have to go to netlogon option. Netlogon, you can see here netlogon and parameters. You can see here sysvol ready flags. That is that registry dword value is 0. Here it is 0, but in some cases, in many times, if it is 1, then netlogon and sysvol folder is also not shared. So if it is 0, then you have to enter here value 1 and click OK. If it is already 1, then you have to enter 0, click on OK, and then again enter 1. And after this, just you have to, means suppose if it is already 1, then just set it to 0, click OK, again modify by double click or by click on, or by right click, modify 1. So you have to set 0 1 and 1 0. So if it is 0, then you have to set 1, if 1 then 0, and again set to 1. Means for working condition it should be 1. And now just close it, and what we have to do, go to services. Sometimes without restarting netlogon server it is available, but sometimes it is not. So what we'll do, we'll restart the netlogon service on the server, and then we'll try to check netlogon and sysvol folder is shared or not. So as you see here, just you can refresh, as we have already tried to access. Yes, now you can see here, now netlogon and sysvol folder is available. Sysvol folder itparivar.lan, this is domain name, already I show you in server dashboard, local policies. So as I was trying to clear the policies replication also, as I described in this video. So I will show you this. What is this? These all are policies which you have created in your GPU. So now I am going to open GPU, group policy management. You can open it by running command gpmc.msc. So as we have recovered netlogon and sysvol folder, but now I am trying to provide you the more information what and which type of objects or policies available in sysvol folder. So you can see here there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 policies are showing here in group policy objects, and the same things AD1 sysvol itparivar.line policies, same things you can see here. 7 policies are available here, 7 items selected. If I am going to create here any new policies, then it will reflect to the sysvol policies folder. It should be reflect, means if it is reflecting in sysvol folder, then that means your replication is okay, means it is working fine. So I am going to create here testing GPO with the name of testing GPO. Now it should be reflect here as yes, you can see here. Now total number of policies are showing here 8, but it was previously 7. The same things it should be replicate to the AD server as well. So we'll check on AD. So we have now on AD server. Now I am going to open sysvol folder, itparivar.line policies. Now you can see here there are also 8 items, means 8 policies. That means sysvol folder, or we can say policies are replicating properly from ADC to DC, means AD, or AD to ADC, means domain controller to additional domain controller server to domain server. So guys, I hope it is very clear to you how you can recover missing net logons and sysvol folders, and how you can check your group policies are replicating or not. So second thing, as I run here the command netshare on the AD, so in the same way now you can check by running here. As we before recover we have run this command, but there was not any sysvol or any net logon shown here. So now you can check by running netshare command, it will show here yes, sysvol windows sysvol logon server, C windows sysvol itparivar.line/scripts. So these are the ways through which we can check the sysvol folder and net logon folder are shared or not, and in this way you can recover the missing folders like sysvol or net logon, and check policies are replicating or not. Thanks, bye bye. Please subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos. Thank you.